Hey, can't think of funny intro again. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna be going for Ubuntu, old version. I think it's 64-bit though. Ubuntu, there we go. No, we're not gonna call Ubuntu. I'm funny. I need to think of a funny thing. I don't know. It's hilarious. Okay, 2 GB, because I don't want my fan to freak out and ruin the recording. Trevor, yep, yeah, okay. 20 GB. Lovely. Okay, start. So the version I'm going to be installing is, I have no idea. No, it's, yeah, Ubuntu 9, I think. Yeah, 9.04. And this probably isn't the first version I used, but it's close. It was either the one before or the one after this. Yeah, okay. Install. Nice. Okay. I could be funny and choose a funny foreign language. But no, I'm gonna go England. Just so I can understand it. Yeah, look at this. Beautiful. I think this is... I have no idea. This could be any time period. I think it's before 2010. But it's certainly after 2004. Install Ubuntu. Hell yeah. See, this is just... This I can actually feel legitimate nostalgia for. You know, Debian and Red Hat. I feel inflicted nostalgia from other people talking about it. But this is first hand. Forward. Hell yeah. Okay. No, I'm not from America. Some cool country. Good show. Isle of Man. No. You know what? Sure, I'll be from the Isle of Man. I can't be bothered. Choose your own. Uck. The United K of the Kingdom. Forward. Ah, this is so nice. Not having to use F-disk and stuff. With the last two. Just kind of does it automatically. Not having to create swap partitions and stuff. Beautiful. People don't know their privilege. What's your name? I need to think of funny. It's so original. Yeah, finally, it actually has the dot, so you can see how many you've done. And of course, it's obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because why would you do something else? Continue. Oh, he's such a clean, good-looking guy. Love it. Install. Installing system. Beautiful. The thing that made this distro special was just how clean it was, and the installation just being perfection. Yeah. And look at that. The windows move cleanly and fastly. Even on 2 GB of RAM in a VM in VirtualBox, which is supposed to be the slowest virtual machine thing physically possible. Everyone always recommends the other ones, but I use this one because I know how to use it. And I probably always will. And so far this is actually taking about the same as the other operating systems. I guess this is 64-bit though, so it can fully utilize the RAM. Although, I think 32-bit can take 2 GB. and I had it set to 2 gigabytes on all of them, so it probably is just a more, well no, it won't be more optimized, it's bloated if anything, but I don't know, I don't know what I'm talking about, but it's happened, slowly. I think this actually is taking longer, so I take back my previous statement. Well, but just look at that. The days when like it wasn't just minimalism, it was shininess. Looks 3D and that background. Very good looking. Anyway, 73%. Oh yeah, and that. Just I don't know what you call it. It's like a thing they have at barber shops, outside barber shops, the twisty red thing. It's like that. It's so sleek and stylish. Have to say, GNOME 2. This probably, I'm not sure if the installer is GNOME 2, but certainly once it is installed, the GNOME 2 on this, just glorious. %78. Oh well. Configuring app, there we go. Scanning the mirror. Okay, yeah. I'm guessing this probably isn't it, but hopefully that's the installation done. I can get into goofing around because I'm going to be doing a lot less installing on this. A little more goofing. In fact, wait, did I set the Wi-Fi to bridged? Because then I should be able to use the internet and download things, which would be pretty nift. Grub. I remember that. Sure is taking its time. Installation is complete. You need to restart your computer in order to use the new installation. Sure. Okay, I think I need to press F12. There we go. Nope, I missed it. Either that or it just does it itself. We'll see. We will see. Enter. F12. Huh? Is it working or did I break it yet? If it says install, then it didn't work. But it should just take us straight in. Oh, just look at that. Oh, that's one good looking distribution. I forgot what my username was. It'll have been something funny, like a bodily fluid. Oh, just look at that, it's so stylish. Oh my god, wow. Ooh. Okay, I think it was poop, because I'm funny. Nope, 4. Password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, obviously. Oh boy, I'm actually quite excited. See that? A mouse that works. Oh, that big thing is godly. Yeah, I remember. I know this. I think this probably was my first version. Right, I'm using a laptop mouse, so in a simple act like selecting things is kind of challenging, but I should manage. Games. Okay. I had a lot of games on mine, so I never really messed around with this stuff. There's GIMP. See how that runs. Let me guess, it works. GIMP 2.6, yep, I had that version. I think this will be in the version when it was still by default, yeah, in multiple different windows, which is really annoying. Goalie. Yeah, I really hate because like you can close windows and it's really annoying and complicated to get them back. Windows. Uh, But you know, I don't care that much. I'm not gonna try and figure out. I'm gonna spend like the entire time in the GNU image manipulation program. New. Exactly. That is what I want to do. Pen. Look at me. I'm funny. I'm so funny. Look at me. Wow. I'm so funny. So funny. Yeah, it works. Obviously, it works surprisingly quickly. Don't save.